representing real numbers on number line.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
If p and q are two integers and q is not 0, then the numbers which can be expressed in p by q form are rational numbers, and the numbers which cannot be expressed in p by q form are irrational numbers. The collection of rational numbers and irrational numbers is called real numbers. It is denoted by capital R.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
In this video, we will try to represent rational and irrational numbers on number line. We can also say that we will find the roots of positive real number geometrically. Basically, every real number, including rational as well as irrational numbers, can be represented by a unique point on the number line. Or oppositely, every point on the number line represents one and only one real number. Consider example -2 by 3. First, draw the number line for integers, that is, include negative integers, 0 and positive integers on number line. Denominator is 3, so divide each unit in 3 equal parts. The sign of numerator is negative and value is 2, so we have to take 2 jumps from 0 towards negative side. The point where we reach after 2 jumps is the required rational number -2 by 3. Now let's try to represent irrational numbers on number line. Let's take the example √5. We cannot express √5 in p by q form, so we can't use above method. For this purpose, we use Pythagoras theorem. It states that in a right-angled triangle ABC, right-angled at B, the hypotenuse square, that is, the longest side square, is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Consider √5 as the length of hypotenuse. So, hypotenuse square is √5 square is 5. We will try to find two numbers whose sum is 5. Possible combinations are 1 plus 4 and 2 plus 3. We choose combination 1 plus 4 as it is easy to find square root of 1 and 4. Using Pythagoras theorem, √5 square is equals to √1 square plus √4 square, that is, √5 square is equals to 1 square plus 2 square. So, √5 is length of hypotenuse. So, the numbers 1 and 2 suggest lengths of other two sides of the triangle. Now, let's locate √5 on number line. We know the other two sides of right angle triangle. These are 1 unit and 2 units. Here you can make a guess that as √4 is 2 and √9 is 3, so √5 must be lying between 2 and 3. So while drawing number line, make sure to have at least 3 numbers on positive side. As there are no negative numbers, so you can keep even more space for positive numbers. So here is the number line with some numbers as 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here we start drawing right angle triangle. Mark 0 as point A. Locate any one of the distance on number line. We will locate 2. Mark this point as B. Draw a perpendicular line at 2. Mark point C on perpendicular line at distance 1. Join A and C. This is triangle ABC with AC equals to √5. Using compass, Measure distance AC and draw an arc which meets the number line. Mark this point as D. Here, AC is equals to AD and thus the distance of AD is √5. Since we are measuring from 0, so the point D shows the number √5.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
We will use the same irrational number, that is √5. Draw a number line as shown. Ensure 5 units to the left of the origin. Mark origin as O. Mark the distance of 5 units towards left of origin as point A. Mark the point B at 1 unit distance towards right from origin. Now the distance AB is 6 units. Find the midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB is half of 6 units, that is 3 units. Either from A towards right or from B towards left, count 3 units and mark point C. Take a compass. Considering C as center and AC as radius, draw a semicircle which meets at A and B. Use compass or protractor and draw a perpendicular line to number line at O that meets the semicircle at point D. The distance OD is √5 units. Taking O as the center and OD as radius that meets the number line at point E.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
This is the location for number √5 on number line. In above two methods, not only we have located √5 on number line, but also we have found the value of √5 geometrically. So I hope you understood this video very well. Thanks for watching this video.
Like, share and subscribe LearnFatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from LearnFatafat.com.